Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Momma, and today we're going to install this Maiker Jeep tailgate table with Molle panel. This Molle panel tailgate table fits the JK and JL, both the 2-door and 4-door. It's made of a high-quality aluminum alloy, which is not supposed to easily deform or break. You can see it's textured powder-coated to resist rust and corrosion. The installation instructions are one page with pictures to help explain the procedure. One side of the instructions are for the JL, and the other side are for the JK. The JK is easy to install. No drilling or cutting is required for this installation. Just screw it on. Now for the JL install, simple drilling is required for the installation. I will be installing it on my 4-door 2015 Jeep Wrangler JKU. The first thing you want to do is take the plastic wire cover off your wires. And did you hear it? They snap out. And you're always going to want to start from the bottom. Now the next thing you might want to do, I did anyway, all these wires from here to here were exposed. Just to make it look nice and pretty, I wrapped them all in electrical tape. So next you take this T-bolt spacer and the black fixing block, and you take the black fixing block and you try to get space in between so you can slide it into this first hole. Horizontal slot, and you turn the T vertical. This one is a vertical slot and you turn the T horizontal. So then your third one, you slide it into the vent down here, the horizontal slot, and you turn it. It's not going to be all the way vertical, but you just get it enough so it hooks in. And you tighten this one too, and line up that plastic spacer. After a few adjustments to get the bolts lined up just right, the table slides right on.
Oh, this one lined up nicely.
This one, it needs to go down. There.
Here, you got it.
You got to manhandle it a little. Once you have the table lined up on the bolts, then you add the lock washer, the washer, and the nut. So then you would tighten these lock nuts with a 10mm wrench, if you can find it. Once they're tight, you can go down here. I took the little...
50 bottom ones.
Yeah, just to keep this up here so it doesn't fall on you when you're tightening the bottom ones.
Fingers.
The table is rated to hold 80 pounds. A convenient little table when you're off-roading, overlanding, or even when you're out and about and stop for a little picnic. After folding, the whole table can become a Molle panel, and this panel can hold Molle pouches, tools, fire extinguishers, anything you can think of that fits into the Molle system. I'm so looking forward to using this table on my next off-road adventure. So there's a link for this product in the description below. And don't forget, when you're done doing your installs, to clean up all your tools so you can find them for the next time you do an install. Where's my 10mm wrench? What did I do with my 10mm wrench? I lost it again. Where's my 10mm wrench? For more Jeep tips and how-tos, click the subscribe button and check out my blog at www.jeepmomma.com.